These mining and lithium-producing stocks have key agreements with the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturers. With lithium prices down 70% from a peak reached last November, now is a great time for investors to get in on the top lithium stocks to buy. Lithium Americas Corp. The company has several upcoming catalysts that should boost its stock. Albemarle, the world's biggest producer of lithium, looks like a buying opportunity at current levels. Piedmont Lithium, the Australian miner's stock is up more than 35% this year. Let's dive in. Here's how to get rich with these 3 lithium stocks on the rise. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Lithium prices have crashed after a 2-year bull run led by soaring demand in China. The spot price of lithium plunged 70% between last November and April of this year. The key component in electric vehicle batteries has been driven lower by a downturn in China's EV market and also by a weakening global economy and slumping consumer demand for electric vehicles worldwide. While the crash in lithium prices has been disheartening, it has brought down the prices of some high-flying stocks of lithium-producing companies, presenting a buying opportunity for shrewd investors. With lithium stocks down, investors would be smart to take a position now before the battery metal prices rise again, lifting the entire industry higher. Despite the current slump, the price of lithium is forecast to increase more than 50% between now and 2028, according to Fortune Business Insights. Get rich with these 3 lithium stocks that are on the rise or likely to rise in the near future. Number 1. Lithium Americas. Lithium Americas has been on an upswing this year, having risen 28% since January. However, Lithium Americas stock is still trading 10% lower than where it was 12 months ago. The share price is 42% below a peak reached in April 2022. The company operates lithium mine sites in North Carolina and South Dakota and is a leading producer in the U.S. The stock has been brought lower by the crash in lithium prices, but remains a leading producer of the battery metal. Lithium Americas also has several upcoming catalysts that could boost its stock price, including a new $4 billion lithium mine in Argentina that is expected to ramp up production this year, and the Thacker Pass project near the Nevada-Oregon border that is expected to break ground this year and has attracted a $630 million investment from automotive giant General Motors. The company has also announced plans to separate its Argentine and North American units into 2 separate entities, pending shareholder approval. Number 2. Albemarle. One can't discuss lithium stocks without mentioning Albemarle, which is the largest producer of lithium for electric vehicle batteries in the world. Over the last 6 months, Albemarle stock has declined 27%, including a 3% pullback this year. The crash in lithium prices has hit Albemarle particularly hard following a 490% gain between March 2020, when the pandemic hit, and November of last year when the lithium market tanked. As with Lithium Americas, Albemarle has been lining up agreements with leading automotive companies. The company just recently announced a deal to supply the Ford Motor Co. with battery-grade lithium, which will enable the automaker to scale its EV production. Despite the decline in its share price this year, Albemarle stock continues to be upgraded by Wall Street analysts. UBS recently upgraded the stock to a buy rating and a $255 price target, calling Albemarle the best growth opportunity in chemicals. Number 3. Piedmont Lithium. Piedmont Lithium is an Australian mining concern that is recovering lithium from a site in North Carolina. Like most lithium stocks, shares of Piedmont Lithium have been brought lower over the last year. However, Piedmont has recovered much of what it lost with a strong rally this year. Since January, the share price has gained 37%. Piedmont stock is now down less than 2% from where it was 12 months ago. In this respect, Piedmont Lithium stock is in better shape currently than many of its peers. Piedmont Lithium's year-to-date rally has been extraordinary given that the stock has been able to shake off a critical short seller report from Blue Orca Capital that claimed its mine licenses in Ghana were obtained through corruption. Investors and analysts seem to take the report in stride and tend to focus instead on the agreement Piedmont Lithium has in place to supply lithium for the batteries used by global EV market leader Tesla. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.